printers, photocopier machines, ni na no benya bi e Franco Trading Enterprise modern na download the Franco app no e wo phone no so na ni apesa order bia no order ba bia wo Ghana ha bia no ye de bebrel na won so watuaka so na ko Facebook Franco Trading app no and over 100k likes Omada Roma and crash na wo ni TCL at the home appliances papa and de aba open TV set wo the TV aba Android TV voice control TV no kasa chere TV no a na ne apese TV ne bia no na eye won sa channel wo bie volume no wo mani mu adum kakra ni nyina no o voice na wo de ya TCL de abadwa so bomoden na PB TCL the creative life and come on me betwetwe no I'm a bit passionate about it because if one group of people are no matter how yentimi ntwa wo nya very instrumental enei se mi gina bia mi gina ya na yesafo no teachers in whichever form some form be some am na kire wo bibi da aya da sa kire ni no da na se na nei Ghana a teacher for one home command and between and the person I made be sound come stems from the fact say now say I take last week and an education come just so semi so and teacher for home some and one more conditions and can one more retirement be a child there for 25 years for 29 years for 32 years Areho teacher ni nwa kan sabra obebre through training school teacher training school obebre ansana emponya posting nini na no teacher ni befam agachanu ahe enya ban kwa aban a wo se wo ban ma teacher for wo ho to wo saban no mo di na mintie abaya no betimi aga say oh yeah pen so de a teacher for wo ho to wo pa teacher agitations ni ade ye hunu bi saban no won fa ni di mra na memo the be teacher for sugu wo nsem wo mo yem the be teacher for wo sugu wo yem and yet there are teacher unions and Kayedi need that's what they say. And a woman a woman share seeking the welfare of these teachers. There are teacher unions. It's a name Ghana Education and that's right. One of teacher phone in also Ghana Education Service. Asana ya one night so na gratis so di baby and CCT Ghana so eba. These unions are supposed to be there for the teachers. So bibi wo hono na ya chechire as a teacher for no konwa. We mu na so wo muginem mpanifo yi, wo mu na so wo muginem no mo kabi ba teacher for no. Me kan kosi sen. Me kan kosi sen. Enche biana aban di betu dwa so teacher for no teacher unions me ensen nat nagrat and afa CCT won dey abetu won manim say won no more initiative bia and ko mo hwe na won set me aka laptops 350,000 laptops e dey my teacher for won Ghana ha 350 laptops e dey my teacher for e won Ghana ha na etimi aboa wo bunim dia mo wo ICT mu etimi aboa epege mu akosoro and Kenya sembone but my son be say and this question Innovative Teachers Association omu rezi and I think to a very large extent I agree with them me ye fam ye adwuma e wo multimedia hay ye fam ye adwuma se me mra me ye adwuma wa hay laptop a ye de ma me ene kura mi any akadia ebeboa mema metimi aye adwuma wa ha no etino I have no excuse. See a Sunday woman went to me and responding, and I research bo her so to me I went to me anye ya ma akadia no laptop enti as employer some for teacher ni adwuma mu a teacher ni no na so de sika go to laptop ya fa sa question nto enti 3 teacher unions in Nagrat, NAT, CCT and I'm kabom. So young teacher phone in our laptops and I buy so. Yabaka 10th September and His Excellency the Vice President Okopa our laptops you huntoma. And for near teacher union see touch the say na obi ani je ho teacher phone nyina teachers ni nyina agi atum teachers ni nyina agi atum say laptops no yencheche na ho nhyehyɛ no ne say aban be for 70% of the cost of the laptop cost no ho so enkomo ho meba ho na fe teacher phone no so etia 30%. That was the initial release a free Ghana education service for a buy on the 9th of September 2021. And let me take time and read through that release, As the Ghana Education Service wishes to inform all staff and the general public that the supply of Teacher Mate 1 TM1 laptops for teachers was an initiative of the teacher unions NAT Nagra CCT to procure for all teachers at the pre-tertiary level to enhance the delivery of quality education in terms of planning, research, teaching, and reporting. Now, point number 4. I said the total cost of the TM1 laptop per one is 1,831 Ghana cedis, 47 pesos. Note, 1,831 Ghana cedis, 47 pesos. Release way in the free Ghana Education Service for buy on the 9th of September. And today, no 30% of teacher in Betia somewhere around 549 Ghana cedis. 549 Ghana cedis. These non-teacher unions, miensenya mabubwei. Teacher unions, mienu so epeja wo mo. Sa ni anat ne nagrat ne CCT for wo mo ade ye teacher fo yi. Ese ehwehwem. Because yahunu be pen, and of course they are right. Oman mu niete. And you go for RLG laptops at the buy. And now will be our sending RLG laptop a gusutiase. Ah, yeah, Juma, on funny the Embrana Miche. And you go for RLG Bakabu bro. And you go for TM1 Swaba. Eti no, I say shim. I say shim. And I want to raise the issue, see, and I say, I bet I maintain between Innovative Teachers Association of Ghana, ITAG, and I say All Teachers Alliance Ghana, ATAG. Mienu Jinafa, and Nagrat, and Nat, and CCT for so a Jinafa. Yenshishem. Release a free Ghana Education Service buy on the price, the cost of the laptop. Actually, Deputy Education Minister, also Penny in Team Fodjo, but him say, laptop Nebuano, and 1,800 Ghana, and somewhere around 1,500 Ghana cedis. You see the confusion? Eti GS Kasei, no Minister no Kasei. And 1,800, and I 1,500. Now, teacher for you, Kasa, Yabakaya, Jumedia, so we open phone lines. Teacher for no share their concerns. Teacher for me, bro, one more masters. One more invested in that. One laptops are one more the year, one more research, and one more works, assignments, and project works, and there. Ain't think no optional. So laptop on the say whopa budget. Na yɛn fantito. And yes, by force, laptops be and sakura you so. Yes, answer the way so appeal so near the attito. How? You see, some of these things, I say, as if that's a growing a year, you know. As if that's growing a year. Teacher, you know, sick and saying. You sick and saying. And I did it more. Ain't it two teacher unions see took it upon themselves. Say, company, you did, sir. Contract no amano so no na one supply laptops no company no supply laptops no KA Technologies yenye muhwehwemu yenhwehwem na chi KA Technologies no wabada ben ne capacity ahoden ben no wa obetimi de sa adwuman na se hono de me kɔ ha Mekoha. What would you try to command Ghana Standards Authority? Response of Ghana Standards Authority, the Mamo, Ewaha. And one would try to command Registrar General. Also response, Ewaha. Near Ghana Standards Authority, woman in Fake Technology, see home. Near Registrar General, so woman in Fake Technology, see. You see? When we mention create, loot and share, release our Ministry of Education for Amadiaba, Kwajo Daben Enra, wow. Mia womania se wamu chirem, Mia womani se wamu chirem, sa prayer bianim. Now let's do this. Responser Ghana Standards Authority. Edima All Teachers Alliance. Response no ha. Now, let me just take 2 minutes of your time. Naminkain. Request for information. Kate data also a year 12 November 2021. Your letter dated 17 September 2021. On the above subject matter refers. We note the content of your letter and wish to respond to same as follows. That our records indicate that KA Technologies Ghana Limited has not applied to the Ghana Standards Authority for certification or quality evaluation of its laptops. So when you Ghana Standards Authority, what do you say? Bibi bia wo kredi fi amanone gadget o den o wo na se wo ahwehwem ehu se machines ana ne wo ba ne voltage no ene Ghana ha de ne pepepe won be evaluation ahwe se bibia de na kwam asana afa wo ma kwan se bra na beton response o me de ba ene se KA Technologies Ghana Limited has not applied to the Ghana Standards Authority for certification or quality evaluation of its laptops. And teacher for Semutia TM1 no a yeba beti chama mo no. Standards Authority for say woman nim ho hwe. KA Technologies no akasa na sa dwuma eko no kra no so won so mo nim sa dwuma eko no. Woman nim sa dwuma eko no. There is a lot of information I wish to share. Near Ghana Standards Authority for the Bayeni. Enter the Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service, one match again. KS Technologies for no, one free hand. And the teacher union sees Chokoma Registrar General's Department. Make sure Innovative Teachers Association and the All Teachers Alliance Ghana. Say IMBA more than register companies, any entities Ghana ha. ya take KA Technologies bi adaroma munim sa adwuma ekoi teacher union so no chokoma registrar general response a free honor mo baaye any as it reference is made to your letter dated 14th day of September 2021 with reference number AFAG blah 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 in respect to the above subject matter. We wish to state that after conducting a search on KA Technologies at our company registry, such a name was not found in our records. Such a name was not found in our records. KA Technologies, you know, Registrar General for say, ya share your data, ya share records, ma company name bien hon mo ya say, who? Where K Technologies, you know, everything. We need to find out. Mama go home so na me ne kwasi kwaten okasa doma Ministry of Education. Me ne kwasi entwetwe nkomo. Kwasi wuti benka?
Yeah, me sonka.
Bibi aboko.
Isa do na so.
Yegusun kakra. As we speak, out of 350,000 TM1 laptops, no, do say na machiche.
I can't give you an figure of head, but when you say as of now, 280,000 of these laptops are ready for distribution. It means say one or two NERCO, but when you say 280,000 of them are ready, distribution is ongoing at the various regions.
Okay, from Kakra, how is the distribution going to be done?
So if we look at even contract arrangements, company, after I say why a friend say the assembling of the laptops, is supposed to go to the regional directorate of the Ghana Education Service. Into your Kohana is done, the distribution is done at the regional level. Teachers, database, GES, at every region, teacher biana, you qualify biano, you have access to it. And more code of registration. We are a year in stages. Into time my bedroom or so. Na at the most of the I remember saying one of my colleagues, na many no secondary school kono good mase. Me one was say my laptop so no. She said I'm in Saka Medio and I'm see trust send them. And so we're having an informal conversation on it. As of now, no, we are near nationwide distribution, but meaning said the Ghana Education Service, at the regional levels. And Nipa like I said, no, or cry or Ashanti region. More also distribution is ongoing. I'm very hopeful that as soon as possible, the 280,000, which is ready now for distribution.
Okay, Kwasi, confirm mine. The cost of the laptop, are you saying?
The cost of the laptop as official documents, and of course, if you look at the approved figure, Public Procurement Authority at the Ministry of Ghana Education Service through the Ministry of Education is 1,550 a unit cost per laptop. What share proposal I buy and the proposal not came from the three teacher unions. That is NAGRAT, NAT, CCT, a coalition of concerned teachers. Our massive strength is around 350,000. September 2020, on the proposal by government, of course, through the Ministry of Education, say a beboa anka abandoning so massive now munya laptops and more teachers. And when you are referring to the teachers, these are teachers at the pre-tertiary level, that is from KG1 BC SHS 3. And proposal it was the teacher unions, Makofa company, which is this technology. And it is not even government. Government had nothing to do with the company. The company was even part of the proposal on the buy. All your cost implications in that everything was part of the proposal. Teacher unions at the buy.
Okay, question. You company, no, so we want to finish with the price, the cost of the laptop, no.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, because there's a release dated 9 September 2021 from the Ghana Education Service Act. Next, there's a laptop no cost near 1,831 Ghana cedis, 47 pesos, and no free.
Okay, different releases supposedly coming from Ghana Education Service. 1,550, 1,500, 1,830. 1,831, all supposedly coming from the Ghana Education Service, of course, on social media. I am speaking as a spokesperson of the Ministry of Education, and I'm telling you that so far as the ministry is concerned, the figure is 1,550. I think it should settle everything. Forget of what you are seeing and say a half and a free, but I've seen duplicates of any costs supposedly is coming from the Ghana Education Service. And
into person say near Cassandra and Sasha see ya stamp since we know and no and you cry and is that what you're saying?
Cassandra didn't say, so I don't know which one I should speak to, but what I know is the contractor I am speaking to it, and it's coming from the procurement and what ministry honor. That is what I speak to it, and I speak for the Honorable Minister of Education. Say 1,550 Ghana cedis.
1,550.
Yeah, and I make us different figures. Even teacher unions, how much the press about as to whether it's even coming from them is even another question. What I say, because different. But I mean, the ministry represents education in Ghana, and so the air cost to say OBCC, as to whether it's even coming from them is another question. Because Cassandra, they are okay. Different. Allegedly, is coming from Cassandra. I'm not sure that one person will be writing and quoting different figures. No, social media will be at the betum. But the contract sum that I'm referring to is 1,550. Of course, one is the Minister of Education, the CTFM, CCTV, he quoted 1,550. Why? So why are you also not referring to his own?
Because there was an initial statement from the Ghana Education Service, which, of course, as media people,
statement allegedly coming from Ghana Education Service, and I've seen different of these statements as to whether is valid. And I'm saying that I'm giving you the figure, so everything that we are going this back and forth.
Okay, that's fine. 1,550 Ghana cedis, that's fine. Yeah. KA Technologies, private or fast we need our contracting. Was it an open tender now? So sourcing per information ministry more. Was it?
We share even circular Honorable Minister of Education. Share say young family bontia. Me kwesi within the SACM. I say we share paragraph 3. Was it a request for approval to use single source procurement process to engage TK Technologies Ghana Limited? That is a company already engaged by the teacher unions for the supply of the laptop computers was made on the 17th of November 2020 by the then Minister of Education, Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. And that even she will explain is clear. Say at that time, the decision of the ministry, of course, under the able leadership of Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, was that single source Nana Ebeboa at then. So if you look at the procurement, it was a single source procurement.
Since 2020, engaging KA Technologies, have we taken time to do, because there are two teacher unions, they went to do some background checks on KA Technologies, Ghana Standards Authority. One say on records, KA Technologies behind her, and they don't have even the capacity to evaluate their machines and computers. Registrar General's Department. All these letters are with me here. KA Technologies, much more more actually background checks be. I want to find out.
These teacher unions now make it background check. And our more narrative. Now, one can say the narrative is coming from the Registrar General Department or the Ghana Standards Authority.
There is a release here. There is I can't let me read the amount.
Release coming from those teacher unions, not the Registrar General. And so, Kaya meba. So will be some of them. Say, Mankebia, Adom FM. Yen should be a own research in our Registrar General. and the registrar general said that a company does not exist, then it would have been a basis. But if somebody is giving a narrative or a counter, and absolute, it's still subject to a friend say the confirmation by the registrar general department or the standards authority. But company, no, so far as the ministry is concerned, which is of course the supplier, no, originally near from the NSV Ghana Limited.
Near from saying
NSV Ghana Limited.
NSV.
Yeah, NSV.
Okay.
Anna, Osha, the American the contract documents, no, I make what you call at Mabatrono. Honorable Minister of Education, so Asansi Awonhubino, and only speak to. The originally, no, and I have seen more documents in the contract arrangements, no. Originally, no, not the company NSV Ghana Limited. Osha Omu year of incorporation, Omuko incorporated 2016 on the 19th day of October. In the 2016, the NASA New Companies Act and a companies code in MI. So it was registered under the Companies Act 1963 Act 179. And changing name. The change of name was on the 13th day of May 2020. Under the New Companies Act, and no more the back here technologies. So yes, Mati argument maybe. Yes, company no or more register na. Yeah, the contract 2020 year May no more register. No more register in May around September, November, munya contract. Okasa is very simplistic because company no. Osha, the company is an already existing company. The only difference, maybe the public may not necessarily be aware, and they say it had a change of name, which is purely legal. And no, it is for the company to answer why they changed their name. And I mean, companies have been changing their name. So when Shell started, it wasn't Shell, and so that is a question of law. And no, Asema for me is an issue. And so the impression that is being created is said the ministry engaged a very young company. Now, some way, somehow, people who construe say be a company, no, so they be a contract. No, it's neither here nor there because it has been demonstrated. And I'm over to my office, make my office at the contract copy amount, so that you'll be able to know, say, the company NSV Ghana Limited, no, which was the original name of K Technologies, no, was registered on the 19th day of October. So practically, it's 5-year-old now.
Okay, Wadaruma, can we settle this on Monday? Nyame adoma na
I'm always available.
So what time and Cabra Studio kra now with all the documents you trust this issue once and for all.
I'll see a year conversation me copies
Edwada
mama baako na me kwesi kwati me kura baako.
Fantastic.
Me go through one by one. Say obese contract me nyame na me sign. Yeah, but
fantastic.
And only speak to the fact. And I mean, you know my style. PR, I will defend the event.
Okay. Minimum power, Kwesi. Minimum power. Until Monday, you're dealing with the issue now. For your mode of payment, maybe I bet it's cannot free no. So we can lay all these matters to bear. Yami aduma Edwada, Wadaroma. Medase pa Kwesi kwati medase. Enti Yami aduma Edwada Kwesi kwati PRO for the Ministry of Education. We'll be here. We'll be live on the show. Na yene no achichem komo. Issue no yenwie Edwada na me adoma ye beto aso. Escrow account no a wo ma create a. Wo mo di sika ni bi kogu ho no ma tete afiri mu e de atua laptops ne ka no. We'll be looking into all these issues. Na me adoma Edwada.